Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more videos. And for today's video, we are going to react to Jerome Eduardo Mail live at Pacific Sotera Hotel in Malaysia. So without further ado, let's go! Excited na ako guys kasi si Jerome Eduardo Mail to.
Mesmerized.
Okay,
So, let's
go.
get started. Are you lonesome tonight, performed by Jerome Evardame?
Are you lonesome tonight? The first...
Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry when
Elvis Presley in the house. Grabe rin to, international na talaga si Jerome Eduardo Mail, no? Ang galing niya dito, guys. Pansinin niyo yung outfit niya, Elvis Presley na Elvis Presley. Diba? Ang galing. At hindi ko to alam na kanta na ito. Eyes. Hindi ko alam pero siya alam niya. Ang galing talaga, no? Yan na naman si Jerome. Nanggugulat na naman ng mga boses na ganyan.
you know, I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know,
Parang nakikipag-usap na naman
some
siya.
say that the world's a stage and each must play a part. Fate had me playing in love with just my sweetheart. I love you at first glance.
Ay naku, marami nagre-request nito ng mga nakaraan. So, ito na ang inaantay nyo, guys.
You read your lines so cleverly and never missed a cue. Then came Act Two.
Ang galing na kung saan-saang bansa na nakakapunta si Jerome. Nanggaling na siya sa Papua New Guinea. Tapos nandito naman siya sa Malaysia. Nag-US na rin yata ito.
You seem to change, acted strange. Why, I've never known. You lied when you said you loved me.
Grabe yung boses niya, no?
And I had no cause to doubt you. But I
Masyado na niyang na-master yung boses niya.
in your lies. But I'm ready to go on living without you. And I am standing here
Grabe. Nagsasalita pa lang siya, eh.
with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, here's your heart.
Ay, grabe. Yung ano pala verse na kinanta niya, is yung parang nagsasalita sa Elvis Presley tapos biglang eto na.
Shall I come back again?
Yung parang lalaki yung boses na sinihila. Sa kanya yun eh, trademark. Yung parang lalakas na sihina.
Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?
Ang galing no. Dito ko naman nagugustuhan si Jerome. Yung para kanya kinikilit pag kumakanta tapos biglang babalik sa dati. Dahil nga sa ang ganda ng mga runs.
Wow.
Oy, tapos na yun.
Very much.